Hello friends, Alex with Basement Finish Pros here. Today is a special day. One of our team members, Igor, sold his first basement. He's been with us for quite some time. Him and his dad are mostly doing basement remodeling, framing, finish work, all the finish carpentry. They do a great job, and he's slowly transitioning into sales and project management. Last week's video shows their basement that they framed up. Currently they're doing 2 basements in Cheshire and Granby. They work very fast, very good team. We're blessed to have him on board, so very happy for him. Great day today. We're gonna eat a bunch of donuts, drink some coffee, and submit application for permit.